Sir Anglophone Online English Language Teaching Network. The forms of verb. Knowing the forms of verb is very important to acquire English skills. Personify. Forms. Personified, personifies, personified, personified, personifying. Meaning, to be an example of a quality or characteristics, or to have a lot of it. Example, these children personify all that is wrong with the education system. Plagiarize, intransitive, and transitive. Forms. Plagiarize, plagiarizes, plagiarized, plagiarized, plagiarizing. Meaning, to copy another person's ideas, words or work, and pretend that they are your own. Example, he was accused of plagiarizing his colleague's results. Recompense, formal. Forms. Recompense, recompenses, recompensed, recompensed, recompensing. Meanings, to do something for somebody, or give them, a payment for something that they have suffered. Example, there was no attempt to recompense the miners for the loss of their jobs. Saunter, intransitive. Forms. Saunter, saunters, sauntered, sauntered, sauntering. Meaning, to walk in a slow relaxed way. Example, he sauntered by looking as if he had all the time in the world. Savor. Forms. Savor, savors, savored, savored, savoring. Meaning, to enjoy the full taste of flavor of something especially by eating or drinking it slowly. Example, he ate his meal slowly savoring every mouthful. Scold, transitive, intransitive, and formal. Scold, scolds, scolded, scolded, scolding. Meaning, to speak angrily to somebody, especially a child, because they have done something wrong. Example, he was scolding them for arriving late. Taunt. Forms. Taunt, taunts, taunted, taunted, taunting. Meaning, to try to make somebody angry or upset by. Example, the other kids continuously taunted him about his size. Tenant, usually passive, intransitive. Forms. Tenant, tenants, tenanted, tenanted, tenanting. Meaning, to live or work in a place as a tenant. Example, he tenanted our house. Usher. Forms. Usher, ushers, ushered, ushered, ushering. Meaning, to take or show somebody where they should go. Example, the secretary ushered me into his office. Uproot, transitive. Forms. Uproot, uproots, uprooted, uprooted, uprooting. Meaning, to pull a tree plant etc. out of the ground. Example, a storm uprooted a large number of trees. Instruction. Listen to the verbs with meaning, and example, and practice, to retain them in the mind. Having listened carefully, practice loudly, and clearly, to adopt accent and pronunciation. Sir Anglophone, Online English Language Teaching Network.